Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You begin by verifying the problem. Play a mono test tone and listen for channel reversal. Once done, inspect the jack, plug, and cable for visible damage. This tells you if mechanical repair is needed. Use a multimeter to measure continuity and confirm which conductor corresponds to left versus right. Make sure to label them. Prepare small tools, contact cleaner, and a spare TRS cable or adapter, so you can swap parts quickly and isolate whether wiring or hardware is at fault. You now open the housing and expose the wiring. Do this slowly to avoid plastic clips breaking. Once inside, trace each wire to its terminal. Tip is left, ring is right, sleeve is ground on TRS jacks. This explains why channels may be swapped. Use a multimeter continuity test while gently wiggling the cable to find intermittent breaks or swapped solder joints. If the wires are soldered in the wrong order or a connector was replaced incorrectly, you will see the mismatch and know exactly where to correct it. You perform the repair by desoldering and resoldering wires to the correct terminals, then secure strain relief and trim excess. Once reassembled, test with mono and stereo tracks to confirm left and right are correct. Make sure to check volume balance too, because poor ground can mimic reversal. If you still hear reverse channels, swap in a known good cable or another source device to isolate whether the headset or the source is at fault. This single troubleshooting step saves repeated.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.